Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just received this ASG 45 liter top box. We have been waiting for this really long. They were out of stock in between. Then the plates were not there. So it's like almost been 2.5 months that we've been waiting. Not years, sorry. So I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing right now and show you what are the contents in it. And there will be a part 2 video where I'll be installing this on my Dominar and show you how it fits there. So here's the casing. So let me do a quick unbox. I'm not holding the tripod on purpose today. I want to try something with single-handed. Looks beautiful already, and it's too huge. Here's my 40 liter in front of it. This is my 40 liter top box. This also is sold via ASG. Wow, that's quite big. Let's open it and see. And there you go. First drawback I see is it's got only one holder out here, whereas my 45 liter one has got two. So here's a metal base plate in it. It now comes with a 2 mm metal plate, some locks and nuts and bolts to hold it in a place. I'll show these in detail once I do the unboxing part. Oh, I guess the plastic is broken off and things are coming off from there, but no worries. So overall the fit and finish looks good. Water might not seep in from anywhere else, but yes, it's good one. I've done a quick assembly of the top plate. It's quite heavy. I guess it's in 3 mm, 2 mm something. So you get these two holders that you need to lock up there. I've not tightened it right now. Once I'm on the bike, I'll tighten them completely. And then this notch that you get, you need to again bolt them on from behind. Okay. If you're worried about Dominar vibrating a lot, or your bike, or any other bike vibrating a lot, and this screws coming off, so what you can do is maybe you can pick slightly longer bolts than what come in the box. I'll remove and show it to you later. So you can get slightly longer bolts, add spacer washers in it, spring washer and a spacer washer. And while inserting this bolt into the aluminum lock over here, this lock, put Araldite or Loctite or something, and that will help you keep this in place. So they won't loosen out, after vibrating or something. But yes, the top plate is absolutely top notch. I mean, very good quality. It's quite thick and heavy. This must be at least half a kilo to 1 kilo in weight. And this then gets locked here. Let me put it and then show it to you. So you just let the notch get stuck in those locks, and then just press this part and it should get locked. That's it. And this will get locked here, from both the sides. Let us lock it completely and check once. And you're locked. You can't press this now, that's locked. You can't open this now, that's locked. So pretty good stuff, and the keys are also really nice. They don't look low quality or something. They really look upmarket. I like the branding, and there's a reflector, proper reflector in this one as compared to the 40 liters. So again, this is a plus point here. Love the dome logo out here. There's a reflector strip here also around the on both the sides. Okay, both these sides there's a reflector. It's quite nice. It's got a small backrest. Not that good quality. I mean, the backrest on this 45 liter is really nice. This is soft cushion. This is not that good. Maybe I'll change it sometime later. So yes, overall I'm happy with the purchase. It's a real good one. Is there an installation manual or something inside? I forgot to check this, what it is. Oh, it's just a paper. Just a paper. And then you've got these plates, which can help you lock the base plate to your top rack. So again, I'll show this in detail once I install this on my bike. So that will be the part 2 video. Few rubbers to put below the. There should be 4, but I see 5. Maybe 1 is inside. So this will go between the base plate and the top rack, and the base plate and the box, so that the box doesn't vibrate. We've got SS bolts and 10 number bolts and like approximately 1.5-2 inch and nylon nuts to lock your base plate to the top rack of the bike. So overall a good package for 5,000 rupees. I'll leave a link to purchase the stop box in the video description. So if you guys are interested, you can purchase it from there. So it probably takes 2 helmets, one full. So this is my empty Thunder and this is my half face Vega helmet. So it takes 2 helmets, but it fits in really tight. So the 2 helmets can scratch each other. So unless you have a Indian helmet with a smaller shell size, the 2 will fit easily. But if they're big, only one helmet will fit easily. And usually, sometimes I carry my office laptop if I don't have leaves and I have to work from the place where I visit. So it is difficult to carry it in my 45 liter box because the laptop is 17 inch and it doesn't fit really well with the laptop bag. But in this, I will be able to easily fit it. If I get a chance, I'll show it to you.